Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this braided wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also if you're interested in any of my products or my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you, or you can just order from my website.